welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will be using my juicer to make refreshing homemade fruit juice. So here I have my juicer, 1 pineapple, 4 strawberries, 2 oranges, 1 apple and ginger. Now I will peel my oranges. Now I will cut the orange in 4 quarters. Now I remove the leaves from the strawberries. Cut strawberries into apple. Cut away the inside of the apple. Ginger, scrape your ginger. Now I will rinse. Now I will go ahead and peel my pineapple. I will now cut the pineapple into slices small enough to fit into the hole of the juicer. Okay, let me go ahead and taste this pineapple. Lovely, it's very sweet, guys. Now that my hands are all clean, I will start with the pineapple. How do you like it, guys? It's easy. So here we go, guys. Freshly squeezed pineapple. Let's continue. This is the ginger. Awesome. Isn't this awesome, guys? This is what's left of it. Maybe could get another squeeze also. Beautiful. Now I will move on to the oranges. Now the apples. Here we go again, guys. Beautiful. So once again, turn to the soft and add the strawberries. This is so beautiful. So this is the strawberry, beautiful. This was from 4 strawberries. Here we go guys. Isn't this beautiful? All freshly made. Beautiful, guys, beautiful, beautiful, all freshly made. So I will add the strawberry juice. Beautiful. Look at this, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I do hope you love this video, and I do hope you will make this freshly done pineapple, strawberry, oranges, apple and ginger juice. It's very nice. I love it, and I will make it over and over again. So guys, enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep watching, and please leave your comment, like, share and subscribe. Thanks again.